In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your cache on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to free up some space, troubleshoot issues, or simply give your browser a fresh start, clearing the cache can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a small icon that looks like 3 vertically aligned dots. This is Google Chrome's main menu button, where a lot of useful functionalities are tucked away. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a variety of options. What we're interested in right now is the Settings option. It should be near the bottom of the menu, so scroll down until you find it, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can make adjustments to how Chrome operates. Now that you're into the settings, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a list of categories. The next stop on our journey is the Privacy and Security section. This section contains all the tools you'll need to manage your online privacy and security, so it's quite handy to know about it. Click on Privacy and Security to expand your opportunities for optimizing Chrome's performance. In the Privacy and Security section, you'll find the option to delete browsing data. Clicking this will bring up a new window where we can customize exactly what we want to delete from Chrome. This is where you can really tailor the cleanup process to suit your needs. Once you're in the Delete Browsing Data window, you'll notice a few checkboxes. Each checkbox corresponds to a different type of data saved by Chrome. Today we want to focus on clearing the cached images and files. So, find the checkbox next to Cached Images and Files. Sometimes it's overlooked, but the cache can hold on to a significant amount of data if not regularly cleared, which might slow down your browsing experience over time. Go ahead and tick that box to ensure it's included in what we're about to clear. Now that you've selected Cached Images and Files, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Delete Data button. This action will prompt Chrome to start clearing the cache, which usually doesn't take too long depending on how much data you have stored. And just like that, you're all done. Your cache is now cleared, freeing up space and possibly resolving some browsing issues you might have been encountering. Regularly clearing your cache can help maintain a smooth and fast browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy your newly optimized browsing.